So let's look at the today's trade in a Bank Nifty. I expected these sellers will get trapped and the price will reverse at 33,750, which I posted here, and 942 when the price is trading at this area. So as expected, the price got reversed at 750 zone. I entered here and immediately my SL was taken, but I couldn't enter at this point. Some of the team member has entered at 1010, which is at this point, and they entered here, keep the SL at this point. And as expected, the momentum started and these sellers were got trapped and the price moved in our favorable direction. And another important thing happened in today's Bank Nifty is at this point from 11:30 to 1 o'clock. It was the zone of hope happened. Both the sellers and buyers were happy at the stage and the sellers were trying to push the price down, but every time they tried, they got trapped. So that is what I have explained here. What if price goes up? All the sellers will exit from the market, which creates a more up move when the price traded at 34,100. Right, so this is also one of the hope zone, and here all the sellers got trapped. Right, so I entered long at 34,050 at this stage and kept my SL down and expected the next target of 34,700. Again the hope zone happened at this point and sellers were again got trapped and the price is moving in a favorable direction, and I'm exiting now because of the time. It is already 3:28. I exited now. Done. All my trade is done. So as per the analysis, this is the entry and this is the exit. So 580 points is the final exit. But I could not enter at this point. I enter somewhere here and exited at this point for a 250 and one more entry at this area and exited here. So 250 plus 250, it's almost 500 points capture in a Bank Nifty in two trades, and still all the setups are valid and my view is still valid till 34,700. See you tomorrow.